Hi everyone, today our topic is how to record the script in recording controller in Apache Jmeter tool. Okay, in Apache Jmeter tool, recording controller is one of the controller under large controller. Okay, and this controller used to how to record the script in Jmeter tool. Okay, first of all, the prerequisites is Jmeter tool installed with Java 1.8 version. Okay, example, I will go to my command prompt. Yes, I will open the command prompt. Okay, you can type the Java space hyphen version. Okay, the 1.8 it's a minimum. 1.8 also above also you can use. Okay, my machine is 64-bit Windows 10. I will use the Java 1.8. You can use the higher version also, will be able to work. After valid root certificate, example, your Jmeter temporary root CA certificate is anything expired, that time remove to that certificate in the particular browser, and you need to freshly install the valid root CA certificate. You need any one web application. Which application you need to record it now? That application it's required, that URL, that all this stuff is required. After the browser means you require any browser. Okay, first of all, in Jmeter tool, this is Jmeter tool 5.4.1 version. The valid root CA certificate, you can see Apache Jmeter temporary root CA certificate, today date 14 February 2022. Okay, it's 11:19 I generated, now time is 12:40. Okay, today only I generated, remaining 7 days it's a valid. Any one web application. Okay, the web application I will take in the JPEG store application. It's a sample web application. Okay, this one I will take. After browser means I will take Internet Explorer. Easily I need to explain. Okay, how do you need to use the settings? Everything is same only, but Firefox, Chrome, Opera, based on the companies will be developed the features, different locations and different places will be generate. That one will be designed. That's all. But overall, the concept is same only, way of working. Okay. Now, how you need to record the script through recording controller? First of all, Java is already installed. Jmeter is available. Okay. First is a test plan. You need to add the one. No, you can go to directly config element. Go to HTTP cookie manager. Go to config element, HTTP cache manager. Cookie manager, you can select the clear cookies each iteration. Cache manager, clear cookies each iteration. After test plan, you need to add the thread and thread group. Under thread group, you can go to logical controller, go to the recording controller. You need to add recording controller. After go to the in thread group, go to listeners. Just for a validation purpose, you need to add the tree. After test plan, you can go directly non-test element, HTTP test script recorder. I will give the port number 8080. A general port number I will provide it. And target controller, I selected the test plan, thread group and recording controller. That time you need to record the any business flow recorded the recording controller under only. Okay, do not, there are so many methods in grouping. Grouping format is different. do not group samples. The sample request you do not group means it's not only one place, it's a multiple ways you need to step by step will be recorded. Add separate between group. You have a multiple groups now, that time will be separated that one. Put each group in new controller. Okay, new controller means you have a multiple recording controllers, that time only you are able to do this work. Store first samples of each group only. Okay, put each group in new transaction controller. Instead of recording controller, previously we use the transaction controller. Transaction controller used to, you can use to record the script each and every step. But now I will select the do not group samples. That is enough. Okay. To go to request filtering. In request filtering, you need to select the most of the time your pattern exclude, and I will select the add suggested exclude. In recording time, it did not record the what are the formats is available this place. That formats data, type of format of data, it's not recorded. You need to provide any format. You can given the pipe symbol. You know pipe symbol, no? You can press the shift and backspace. Below there is a one button. Forward slash also available. Okay, that just a minute. It's a keywords. Okay, you can press that one. Now this is the pipe symbol in keyboard. Okay. Okay, the pipe symbol you need to provide it to. You need to provide the format. You need to provide any JPG formats or any type of format type of data. It's not recorded. That one you need to exclude that one. Okay, and go to test plan creation. In test plan creation, in general settings you will done, and these all types of formats and type of data also you able to set up, but most of the people he did not record it. Means he did not use that one. Grouping. Capture HTTP headers. Headers means, you know, everyone headers now. Sometimes the dynamic values is available in request and response place. Sometimes HTTP header place also available. Okay, that reason you can use the capture HTTP headers also. Add samplers. Add assertions. Once you need to select the add assertions, that time the assertions, the request recording time only will be automatically added by default. Okay, but based on your requirement you need to change and you need to use them. After regular expression matching, you need to select a regular expression matching. No? The regular expression matching also will be show that one, which one will be suitable, but that is predefined one only will be show, but exactly which one will be matching the mission you don't know anything about. You need to decide at that one. Okay, after HTTP sampler settings, transaction name, you need to provide any one valid name. Example, I will provide my project code is 1122 2209 underscore. Application name is JBed store. Transaction name is login. Okay, count is 01. This is the way you need to provide it. Okay, I am not remove this one. Used naming schema. He provided prefix or suffix or use formatting or transaction name. Which one you need? Most of the time it's a transaction name only. Counter start value. That is you need to set up 1, 0 or 1 you need to provide it. Na? That one will be able to work. Create new transaction after request. Okay, create new transaction after request means once you need to capture the request, after only the new transaction automatically will generate it. You did not provide it. Okay, just you will provide the name. Actually, once you need to start the recording, there is a one box will be generated. You need to provide the transaction names. but this place you need to provide the what are the name will provided, that one only keep on will be generated. Recording default encoding, I'm not sure about this one, I'm not used any time. Retrieve all embedded resources, redirect automatically, follow redirects, use keep live. Use keep live means same what is the live data it's in application is running in live, that one only will be captured and used. And follow redirects means once the request is sent to server, response is coming back, that one only will be redirected. You need to capture the request. Redirect automatically you need to select it now. The request and response directly will be captured and redirected. Retrieve all embedded resources means in Jmeter also there is some limitation. You need to record the request and some formats of data it's not able to record. That time you need to select the retrieve all embedded resources. All types of formats of data will be recorded. Okay, that is the purpose this one. And types will be provided. The types is Java and HTTP client 4. Previously everyone will using the only from Java only, but now latestly developed HTTP client 4. And this is the GraphQL HTTP sampler settings. Detect GraphQL request. You know what is the use of GraphQL means? The GraphQL using for mostly web development peoples, and the GraphQL main advantage is it's a query plus REST API. The both mixed configure mixed combination based only will generated to the Facebook company will created the GraphQL. In single REST API request, multiple queries you need to write on exactly what data the client is looking for, that data only will provide it. It never provided the unwanted data. That reason the performance will be increased. Okay, this is very good advantage, but you need to learning will be take long time. Okay, I'm already working this project also. Okay, after request filtering means this one you know everyone. URL pattern include means you need to add suggested or add delete anything. Example, you select the add from clipboard means you need to add that one, which one you need to record it. By mistakenly Jmeter is not recorded in any format of data. You need to provide the data, that format data in Jmeter you need to instruct this format of data also you need to record it. Yeah, it's recorded. It's excluding means is never recorded, not recorded this one. Okay, and notify child listeners of filter samplers. Okay, I'm not sure this one, I'm also not using this one. Everyone you know view results tree. Okay, it's a recording controller, thread group, it's a general. Okay, cache, cookie, test plan. Okay, now this part is completed. Now you need to move into the Jmeter side. Okay, this is the browser I will take in. First you need to configure this one. First of all you need to set up the proxy and install the Jmeter root certificate. Go to browser Internet Explorer, click on the settings, internet options, go to the content, select the certificate. Go to Trusted Root Certification Authority. This is a Jmeter certificate. The valid available 21st/2/2022. It's not there. You need to first time you need to upload the script. Just click on import. Click on next. Click on browse. You can select click on open. Okay, I'm already imported. Once you need to click on open, you can press the click on next and finish. It's automatically the certificate is installed under Trusted Root CS certificate folder. Once this work will completed, you install successfully. Same internet options only. Go to the connections, go to LAN connections, remove to the automatic settings, select this one. Process server. It's a local computer, that is I will provide the local host, and port is 8080 I will provide it. Once you need to provide it, click on OK. Okay. You can click on submit the request. Now you is showing to the process server is refusing the connection. Okay. The process server is not responding. Means it's a configured to the separate port number. The port number will be active that time only. The request and response will be relieved. Now port is 8080. Now I need to start the recording. Yeah, started. This is the dialog control. You know this all the things, no? Recording transaction controller. It's a stopping button. HTTP sampler settings. Transaction name. You need to provide any transaction name. How load runner will provide in the same only. Naming schema. It's a transaction or a prefix, suffix, use format. Set counters also. Counter start value. One. You need to provide some value. Counter means there is any events will be recorded, and that time the timer will be running and automatically show to the how many will be recorded. Create new transaction after every request. It's automatically you need to give some name. One transaction will completed automatically. A new transaction automatically this name will be configured and will be generated that one. Okay, now we need to start it now. You can go to the now you need to click on enter now. Yes, it's open to the main application. Now go to Jmeter check. It's a some request is captured. Okay, I will first launched and click on sign in. J2EE password also J2EE. Click on login. Okay, click on fish. Click on the product ID, add to cart, proceed to checkout, continue, a final confirmation. It's done. Thank you. Your order has been submitted. Now you need to sign out. This one also will complete it. Okay, this is the flow I recorded. Now I need to stop the recording. Can go to Jmeter. You need to open the request. Everything is pet store only. Directly pet store only will become. Okay, these all the requests are petstore.octopref.com. This is the jpet store application. Exact request only will be recorded. Okay, now you need to check one time it's everything properly execute or not. You need to save this one first of all. It's a recording 2. Okay, now you need to run and validate. Yeah, it's everything is working fine. There is no any issue. Okay, it's a successfully executed. After you need to perform the correlation remaining stuff you need to do. Okay, and prepare the script. You have a multiple scripts now. You can add the multiple thread groups and you need to add and you need to run the test and you need to find load test all the things you need to perform and send it to the reports to clients. Okay. Yeah, these are the main and general elements you need to recording the any script through recording controller. Okay, recording controller and transaction controller, what is the major difference? Now, recording controller, all requests will be recorded only one recording controller under only. Transaction controller, you need to provide the multiple transaction controllers and you need to record the separate steps. Okay, that is the major difference. And remaining view results tree, this one everyone you know. HM test script recorder, you need to record the script the configuration setups, all the things you need to done for HTTP test script recorder. View results tree will only provide the request and response. It's a successfully passed or failed. This all the details will be provided, and the sample results, request, response body, response header, all the details will clearly will provided. After this all the request recording controller, I am already explained that one. Thread group is general, you need to provide the users and setups, everything, what is the duration you need to execute all the things. Cache and cookies you need to clear each and every time. That time only we will perform the proper performance testing, otherwise that one is invalid. The reason, example you can take the cache. You have a login, one application will take the loading and will take the time around 2 minutes will be taken, otherwise 60 seconds will be taken. And next same user in next time you need to log in will take just 2 seconds only. It's not more than. The reason, the username password, it's already available, it's already login, you know everything. That reason fastly will be login. That time you're not able to validate the proper performance. That reason you need to clear each and every iteration and freshly need to log in. That time only you're able to find out the proper performance, how much response is given. The application will take the time you need to log in. Okay. Test plan is the primary element. Previous versions will use the, in Jmeter, test plan and workbench, 2 elements available. But nowadays it's only test plan only available. Maybe future versions the test plan also it's not available. Okay. That's all guys, this video, it's not more than the main intention, this one only, recording controller only. Okay, how we need to record it, that one. After the major thing in Jmeter side, most of the people will facing the issue. You need to import the proper valid temporary root CA certificate, otherwise the script is not recorded. Okay. Once you need to record the script and you need to, the valid certificates is available, that time only it's able to record it. You need to remember this point. You did not record it means you did not properly configured, and maybe that is a invalid certificate, it's already expired. Okay, these are the points you need to remember and you need to do it. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. Our aim is completed. How to record this script in recording controller in Apache Jmeter tool. Yeah, that's all guys. I will connect my next video. Thank you very much. Bye.